So another beautiful day in Port Hedland, blowing crazy as. Off to the Sustainable Living Expo. I don't know how big it's going to be. I've never heard of it before. This might be the first one. It's in the grounds out the front of the council. Nice garden area. It's kind of tucked away. Not many people probably know about it. But yeah, let's have a look. Over off the spoil bank there, got a couple of kite surfers out today. And we've got a iron ore boat coming out of the channel there as well. It's all happening in Hedland today. So parked down at Cemetery Beach, walked up just past Ray's over my shoulder there. Nice spot to go and have a drink, have something to eat. And just coming on up past the Martini Glass. Here you can see some of the new turtle lights, turtle friendly lights. They're a little bit more shady so that there's not too much light to scare the turtles away. I'll try to give you a bit of an idea of what's going on here at the expo without invading anyone's privacy. There's a few booths here and there, BHP, Rio Tinto, the usual suspects. Yeah, but it's a nice little gathering. A couple of chooks. Electric vehicle, I guess that's one of the most sustainable things here. There is an electric vehicle charge point in Port Hedland. As far as I know, there's just the one, and it's at the marina, which is just along the beach a little bit more. So I thought this was pretty funny. The water refill station is essentially just drinking off the end of a hose. So there you go, guys. The Port Hedland Sustainable Living Festival Expo get together. Yeah, quick walk around here. It hasn't taken too long. I didn't think it'd be huge. Yeah, but we can now watch the iron ore boat go out for the rest of its trip. Yeah, not a bad place for some council offices. I think you'd be pretty happy if you worked here. Got a nice grassy area to come out on every day for lunch. Well, at least for the couple of months that it's actually nice to go outside. But yeah, what a nice spot for council offices, huh? Prime location. So yeah, this is Ray's just behind me here. It's quite a nice spot just to come and sit and look over the water and have a drink, have some lunch, have some dinner. Yeah, probably one of the nicest spots to just sit and chill out in Hedland, I'd say. There's not a lot of restaurants here, and strangely most of them seem to kind of be quite shut away, like there's no views to speak of, which I guess is more an indicator of the weather than anything else. It's just beautiful sunny days pretty much every day of the year, except it's yeah, a bit too hot to actually be out in it. If you're coming through town, definitely stop in at Ray's, have a drink. It's just a really nice chill place to sit and watch the boats come in and out.